Hey, what is going on, everybody? My name is Marissa Romero, and in this video we are going to be talking about how I was able to build 5 passive income streams. And so hopefully it'll give you some inspiration and maybe you could duplicate a couple of these passive income streams. So stay tuned for this video. Welcome back to this video, guys. My name is Marissa Romero, and it's actually late at night when I'm filming this video. I'll be posting it during the day, but man, my face looks super glowy right now. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, what you can expect on this channel is me teaching you how to make money online. I'm a digital nomad. I work from my laptop and an internet connection anywhere from the world. Next week, or actually in 4 days, I'll be headed off to Medellin, Colombia, and I'm super excited. And so I'll actually be posting some travel content and lifestyle content as well, because I've been getting a huge request for some behind the scenes and stuff of me traveling the world. So I'm going to work harder for you guys to give you that exclusive content. So if any of that's your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, because right now I'm posting super consistently. I try to post daily. Alright guys, so if you're excited about today's content about passive income, go ahead and smash that like button. And be sure to comment below any questions you have after this video, okay? So I wanted to first touch on what the definition of passive income is, because I think that's super important to understand, you know, just kind of going forward, because passive income could be something where you're not totally hands-off from it. So you could have some involvement, but it's way easier to make that type of money. You don't have to show up for a job. You don't have to report to a boss. You don't have to, you know, drive somewhere to show up to an office and clock in and out. Passive income works around the clock for you while you're asleep, while you're on vacation, while you're making dinner. Whatever activities you're doing, passive income will bring you income consistently. So with that being said, let's look at the definition. I'm looking at my other computer right here. So this is straight from Wikipedia, okay? So passive income is passive income is income resulting from cash flow received on a regular basis, requiring minimal to no effort by the recipient to maintain it. Okay, so right now, without me, my business would not operate completely. Okay, I'm just going to be honest. I'm not at that point in my business where I can just do nothing, work 0 hours, and there would be money coming in. No, it would be fine for about a month, but there's stuff that I have to do to maintain my income and to make sure that my income is working 24/7 for me and coming in passively, okay? But first, I want my first offline way of making passive income that I'm going to introduce to you guys is a concept called infinite banking. Now, I have an entire video that I did with a couple who are wealth strategists, who are the super experts on this topic, and I'll leave that link up here and in the description so you guys can check out later, because they talk about it way more eloquently than I can. But essentially what infinite banking is you're investing and you're making deposits into a whole life insurance policy, and you're able, if set up right, if set up correctly, to leverage the cash value that's created from that whole life insurance policy. Now, on the flip side, what we regularly know here in the United States is that we usually invest in term life insurance, which, yes, term life insurance is technically cheaper because you're investing a super small amount of money from your paycheck every single month until you die, and that's the only way you can access that money and your beneficiaries get that money is when you die. I mean, that sucks. So with whole life insurance and the concept of infinite banking, you're able to access right away 60% of whatever deposits you're making into your policy. So you determine how much you put in, but the cool part about it and what makes it completely passive, and I'm literally not doing anything, I just set up my policy and it's going to keep growing and growing and growing as long as I'm alive. It compounds 4% every single year, and the life insurance company also gives in dividends at the end of the year. It's not guaranteed, but it's 99% been going on for the past decades. And so what that means is that my life insurance policy is growing continuously, and I'm able to leverage the cash value from it. So it can also be used, most importantly, as a debt tool. It can be used to build up a revenue stream. So really, the option is up to you. Right now, I'm still paying back debt from student loans, from credit cards that I used early on in my entrepreneurship to purchase mentors, to purchase trainings. So I'm like paying back debt, and that's where I am in my entrepreneur journey, and it's pretty cool. As I'm able to make more profit in my business, I can pay those debts back faster, and I can pay it back extra fast with infinite banking. And once that debt is paid off, it's going to be pure profit and pure income that keeps compounding and growing as the years goes on. Okay, let's talk about the second way I'm able to make passive income, and that is, of course, what you're watching right now with my YouTube channel. So I'm posting content every single day because I'm building up a brand. I have built a brand, and I'm continuing to build my brand, and I go by my personal name of Marissa Romero. So when you're a business owner, you have to build your brand. It's a no-brainer nowadays. You have to be on social media. You have to be present. You have to be giving value. So in that sense, I argue that having a YouTube channel is 100% passive as long as I'm building my brand. Basically, YouTube, and what I mean by YouTube is Google AdSense, because I'm a part of the YouTube partnership program, and whenever ads play on my videos, I get money, okay? So that is passive income that I'm making from people that are viewing my content. Now, obviously, the more active I am on my YouTube channel and the more viewers and subscribers I have, the more money I get paid. So that is my second source of passive income. It was not easy in the beginning. In the beginning, it was like no one was watching my videos, and I had to seriously grind at it. But once I made a point to, you know what, I'm going to commit, I'm going to post, 5 to 7 times a week, my channel saw some major growth. And it's super exciting, to see every single month I'm getting that check, no matter what, from Google AdSense for my YouTube channel, okay? So the third way I'm able to make passive income is also from my YouTube channel, but more specifically, it is from product review videos that I have made on my channel, which are continuing to grow and get more and more views as time goes on those specific products. And so when I do those reviews, I have an affiliate link to those products in the description so people can purchase right there. So I'm giving people value in the form of reviewing a product, telling them my opinion about it, and then I'm giving them a call to action and saying, hey, look, if you're interested in starting a free trial or purchasing the product or whatever it is, the link is in my description below. Feel free to check it out after this video. And so there's some review videos that I've actually made about a year ago now that are still working in my favor, and people are still reviewing those videos. And that's actually how I kind of got my jump start from going from 100 subscribers to 300 subscribers. What were those review videos? So that's actually my third way of making passive income, are those review videos on YouTube. And if you guys are interested in kind of getting a jump in your YouTube channel, maybe it's a smaller channel right now and you want to get some traffic, doing a product review in whatever niche, this works whatever niche, is a really good idea because it's evergreen and people are always going to be looking for that product, okay? Okay, so the fourth way I'm able to make passive income is by promoting a product that gives you recurring commission every single month. So when I teach affiliate marketing, I teach people you need to promote a product that has recurring income every single month because it's predictable, it's dependable. Once you start to make a couple sales, how much traffic you need. You understand how well the product converts. So let's take an example like ClickFunnels. If I'm an affiliate for ClickFunnels and I have the link to ClickFunnels and people buy through my link, that's I get 40% of whatever plan they choose commission to me every single month as long as they are a part of ClickFunnels, you know, through my link. And so that is why it is important that you have those pieces of your income, the smaller recurring commissions. You know, it's not going to be $500 commissions for one sale. It's going to be more so like maybe 20 bucks a month, anywhere from 20 bucks a month to maybe 70 bucks a month that you're getting recurringly from these products. And so I'm actually promoting 2 products right now that have recurring commissions, and that is working very, very, very well for me. It's a major income stream, and it is passive because people are continuing to use this product every month. It is something that they need for their business, okay? Now, the very last way, the 5th way I'm able to make passive income is by promoting high-ticket products. Now, I learned this from a couple people that are, you know, super affiliates in the industry, and they always stress the fact that, you know what, whatever product you promote, it's no different. Whether you're promoting a low-ticket product or high-ticket product, people are going to buy. So you might as well incorporate high-ticket products into whatever it is you're promoting. And I can't agree more. It is super, super important because those commissions are the ones that are really going to boost your monthly income. So right now, the high-ticket product that I'm promoting gives me a $1,000 sale every time somebody purchases from me, okay? So I'm getting the $1,000 commissions with a bunch of little recurring commissions with YouTube, with infinite banking. So that is how I'm able to form my passive income stream. So let me know if that makes sense to you guys and how you guys plan to incorporate passive income into your business. Let me know in the comments which passive income stream resonated with you and which one you'll probably take action on first after watching this video, okay? So let me know, again, if you have any questions at all. I hope you guys got some value from this video and were able to kind of understand how it is that I'm able to make money online and technically offline, okay? Be sure to check out the first link in the description for more videos and training that I provide. Alrighty guys, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.